Okay, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little unboxing of my new Slim Combo Logitech keyboard and cover for the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. Now, this is for the old iPad Pro, so I got my iPad 12.9 inch back in 2017 and here it is. So this is not going to be the one that you can use for the new ones, because obviously with the new ones you don't have a button and they pretty much have a really thin bezel on them, but I've not upgraded to that one yet. I thought I'll try getting a little bit more out of my iPad Pro since I got it 2 years ago. So currently I'm just pretty much just using my iPad Pro for my artwork, digital art, sketching. So I really wanted to kind of, you know, just give this addition kind of functionality, really get the most out of it, especially with the updates on the operating system that has updated on the iPad. So no point talking about the iPad, let's talk about the Slim Combo. Now, I was getting kind of a bit worried actually, because I thought that, you know, because it's 2 years old and, you know, are they going to still be making these cases maybe in another year's time? I just didn't know, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go out and get one of these. I had a voucher at Argos and I got it from Argos, but I will leave a link in the description below because there's not many places that actually sell these, but I will leave a link in the description where you can have a look and read up on the reviews. I've heard good reviews on them so far. I know it's not ideal. I mean, I would have liked to have the Apple version of this as the smart keyboard, smart case for the iPad Pro, but it was like about £200 and I just didn't think that's worth it. And on top of that, it doesn't have the additional functionality that this does of this kind of kickstand, which is a bit like the Surface, Microsoft Surface line, where they have this adjustable kickstand. So just for that and the fact that it's a lot cheaper, I think this was £120, but with my voucher I got a little bit of discount on it. I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and get this. So let's stop talking and let's start the unboxing. I've got my little baby in the background, my daughter, so if you're hearing funny noises, that's gonna be her and not me. So let's just crack this one open. I mean, just looking at the casing, the actual packaging of the box, it's quite nice. It's really nice. It's sturdy, it's got a good weight to it. It doesn't look flimsy from the packaging perspective, so let's hope that the actual keyboard itself isn't going to be a flimsy one. So let's have a look. It's even got a little handle here, so you know, I was really impressed with the overall packaging of this item. So let's have a look. I mean, you can get this from the Logitech website, but I mean, in the UK over here, it's quite hard to get hold of them from an actual shop, but Argos did have it, so I was quite fortunate that they had this in stock. So let's see how we open this. Now, it's a bit weird, this. It's not really sealed. Is it sealed? I can't see a seal on it. So there you go. Oh, that's pretty cool. So if you just look at that little flip on the side there, and so it's just going to flip open just like that. Wow. Look at that, great packaging. I've got to say the packaging on this is absolute spot on. Look at that, you've got some really nice diagrams and a bit of blurb there on the side, and that's my little daughter talking. So we just flip this over. So it's going to be in two parts, this, isn't it? Yes, it is. So we've got the keyboard, which is over here. See what the travel's like on there. Yeah, it feels pretty nice. It's got a nice click to it. And we've got the smart connector right there. That should hopefully just snap into place. Got this little flap that goes, actually it turns backwards, this, so that when you actually put it on, you can just rest on it like this, or you can just have it folded out and you can actually put your hands on. So I'll see how that goes. Just move that to the side. What else do we get in this box? We got the little film there. Just move that out of the way. And this is the main kind of contraption right here. So we've got Logitech and we've got a little piece of card that goes in there. It's actually telling you how to put this on. That's useful. So number one, get started with a Slim Combo, and that's my daughter. Let me just turn her thingy off because I can't even hear myself speaking. Oi, stop messing about. Leave that. No, you don't want to play them games. Leave that. Daddy's doing a recording. Okay, just be quiet there and sit there for a minute, kids, eh? Right, I better hurry up with this unboxing before we get interrupted again. So, we've got the little case here, and it's basically saying, obviously, pop the iPad in. So how do you open this then? Does this just come out? Am I doing this right? I better not break this. I mean, it's a 120 quid item here, so... Well, that's a bit weird. Looks like this just goes on the way it is, doesn't it? Yeah, I don't think you actually do anything with it. So Okay, that's what I'll do then. So let's grab hold of my iPad Pro and let's just fit this in. So we've got the iPad here, so we've got the cutout for the camera that way, so we are doing this the right way round. That would help, wouldn't it? And let's see, does it just click in? Yeah, nice little click. Clickety click. So that's gone in pretty nice. It's nice and flush. That's not wobbling or doing anything silly. So there we go, all the way from all the corners. That's the click. So all four ends are in. Popped it in. Logi at the back, eh? So, and this is the little flap that you can put your Apple Pencil in. Great move that. So let's see what do we do now? Oh, do you know what? Let's just move all this stuff out of the way. We've got a little bit of a blurb in there, or I don't care about that. Let's just move that lovely box out of the way. So we've got this on. We've got the back of it on. So what'll happen is this should go in like this. So let's get that out of the way, and let's just keep these instructions aside. And let's see, so what should happen right now is if we just line this up. Oh, look at that. That was pretty cool, that, wasn't it? That was a really sharp little snap there. Don't know if you heard the snap there, but it was really, really sharp. Right, so okay, so this is there's the kickstand. Right, got it. We're on the right way now. Right, so that's the kickstand. And let's see the adjustment of it. So it moves up. It's got that hinge fixed onto it. So let me just see if I can bring the camera a bit closer. You can see over there we've got the hinge. Now this isn't as sturdy or as kind of like sleek as the hinge on the Microsoft, obviously, because that hinge is absolute quality. But you know, on the Surface Pro, on the Microsoft Surface. But let's just test it out. So here we go. Let's just bring it a bit down. Yeah, that's pretty good, that. So let's have a look. Unlock iPad to use accessory. So let's just do my fingerprinty. Oh, that's typical, that, isn't it? Now my fingerprint scanner's not even working. So I'm just going to put my little password in. I'm not going to show you guys that, obviously. I'm not going to show you guys that. So let's just have a look. Right, so we're in. Now, software update. No, we don't want to waste time doing that. So let's have a look, let's see. So I'm just going to lift that up so that you guys can see it. And I don't know, if we just go into, say, notes, new note. So let's add a new note. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's really good. Oh, I really like that. Let's see if we can just bring that in here. Show you on the screen. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, and that button over there, so you can see I've just clicked on that button right there. That's the lock button there. That locks and unlocks. Oh, that's great, that. I really like that. So we've got that again. Obviously, we've got to go in, and yeah, let's start typing. Type away. I'm just doing some gobbledygook on the actual type. But yeah, that's pretty simple, that, isn't it? I mean, look, I've just closed it there. Let's see how it is when we close it up. So when you close it up, it's like that. Flip the back, and there it is. So it does add quite a bit of a bulge on it, obviously, because you've got a keyboard residing in this section just underneath here. So it does put quite a bit of bulk on your iPad, but it actually makes it feel like a laptop, which I guess is pretty good. I mean, yeah, I mean, it doesn't, you know, it's not that bad, but yeah, overall, I think it's quite nice. Let's just see if that Apple Pencil holder can actually fit the Apple Pencil. It better not be too loose or anything like that. So that's quite a tight fit. Perfect. Oh, look at that. So yeah, no, I'm quite pleased with that. You just carry it on the side like that. Yeah, no, very good. So initial impressions, I would say, I'm quite impressed. I mean, this is like quite a materially kind of texture that this is actually, I don't know what it is. Feels like it's like I don't know, nylon or whatever they call this type of material, but it's a very nice material. You've got this suede pad underneath, so let's see how quick it is to open. So you want to open up your iPad, you want to do some typing, boom, and you're done. Unlock, thank you very much. Look at that, that's great, that, isn't it? So we've got all the shortcut keys, we've got keyboard, we've got, you've got all the functionality. So I'm just putting the screen high and low. What I'll do is let's kick this all the way back so you can see what I'm actually doing. So you've got the brightness. That's great, that search. You've got the online keyboard, you won't really need that. That's the button for that one, and then we've got these. I think that's a sound, but I don't really think that's working. No, sorry, that's the sound. There we go, that's the volume. Don't know what that is, but let's just bring this a little bit closer. You can see the bar. So we've got play, yeah, the standard keys. Yeah, feels really nice. I mean, I would like to have it like this. I think that's just so much more, you know, compact, and it just feels really good as well. And then you've got your Apple Pencil. You can just yank that out and you can start using your Apple Pencil. Yeah, I mean, it's added great functionality already with just the addition of a keyboard. So I think I'm going to really like this. So that's pretty much it, folks. I might do a review later on after I've used this for a while to see whether it's actually worth getting this or not. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the first impressions. So that's it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for your time, your help, and do check out the link below where you can read up on other reviews on this product. Also leave a comment to see if you've already got this, tell me how yours is going, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. So take care of yourself, keep loving your iPad, and peace.